Hello, welcome to yet another session on coordinate geometry in 3D. So today I would be discussing a very simple problem from the topic coordinate geometry, or three-dimensional geometry, as you can say. Okay, so the question is here. The angle between two lines whose direction cosines are given by the equation L plus M plus N is equal to 0, L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 0 is dash. We are asked to find out the angle between the two lines. So these two lines would be intersecting, and then we have to find out the angle between these lines. The direction cosines are actually given by the equation L plus M plus N is equal to 0, L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 0. The options given are pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, pi by 4, and none of these. Okay, so you know what direction cosines mean, right? So what you will do is you need to find out what is this L, M, and N, right? So you have to find out that. So before that, you can take the second equation. What's the second equation? L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 0, right? Okay, so you already have N is equal to minus L minus M. Okay, from the first equation you can obtain N as minus L minus M. So you can substitute that in the second equation and you will obtain L square plus M square minus L plus M whole square. Instead of N, you can write it as minus of L plus M, right? So minus of L plus M whole square. Okay, fine. Which is equal to 0. What is this? This is of the form a plus b whole square, right? This is of the form a plus b whole square. So actually you can expand that, right? What is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So you can actually what is called expand that. Okay, on expanding you will obtain 2lm. Okay, 2lm is equal to 0. 2lm is equal to 0. So either L has to be equal to 0 or M has to be equal to 0, right? Either L has to be equal to 0 or M has to be equal to 0. If L is equal to 0, we'll obtain M plus N is equal to 0, thus obtaining M is equal to minus N. Okay, so what would be the direction ratios? L by 0, M by 1, N by minus 1. Okay. Now, if you consider M as 0, you will obtain L is equal to minus N. So, you can write the direction ratios of the other line as L by 1 equal to M by 0 is equal to N by minus 1. So, now we have already obtained the direction ratios. Okay. So, once you got the direction ratios, how do you obtain the angle? You know that cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay, fine. So you can actually obtain theta as cos inverse of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by this one, like the the magnitude of each of these direction ratios, which is root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay, thus you will obtain cos inverse plus or minus 1 by 2. So either the theta has to be pi by 3 or 2 pi by 3. Okay, so see the options. You have an option called 2 pi by 3, so you can select that one. Okay, fine. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, thank you. That's it. Hello, welcome to yet another session on some solved problems on the topic three-dimensional geometry. Okay, so yeah, here it goes. The equation of the plane which contains the line of intersection of the planes x plus y plus z minus 6 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus z plus 5 is equal to 0 and is perpendicular to the xy plane. Okay, you have two planes. So what's given in the question? You have two planes. You have the line of intersection of these two planes, and you have another plane that is lying, okay, or that contains the line of intersection of these two planes, and that is also perpendicular to the xy plane, okay, that's perpendicular to the xy plane also. And what are you asked to find in the question? You are asked to find out the equation of that particular plane. Okay, so you are asked to find out the equation of a plane that passes through the line of intersection of these two planes, as well as the one that would be perpendicular to the xy plane. Okay, fine. Okay, so the options are x minus 2y plus 11 is equal to 0, x plus 2y plus 11 is equal to 0, x plus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0, and x minus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. Okay, so yeah, we'll move on with the the answer. Okay, so what will be the equation of our required plane? Like, you have the intersection of these two planes, right? So equation of two planes are actually given in the question. Okay, equation of two planes are given in the question, and it is given that our plane lies on the intersection of these two planes. Okay, the line of intersection of these two planes. Okay, so you can write the equation of our required plane as x plus y plus z minus 6 is equal plus lambda of 2x plus 3y plus z plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is how you actually find out the equation of the required plane. So once you found out the value of lambda, you will be able to calculate, okay, you will be able to calculate the equation of our required plane. Okay, fine. So now you can apply this lambda to everything. So you get 2 lambda x plus 3 lambda y plus lambda z plus 5 is equal to 0. So now you can club up the terms. Now you can club up the terms of x, terms of y, terms of z. So what do you end up getting? You end up getting 1 plus 2 lambda into x plus 1 plus 3 lambda into y plus 1 plus lambda into z plus minus 6 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. So this is how you actually group the terms of x, y and z. Okay, fine. Now, what is the additional information that is given in the question? This plane is perpendicular to the xy plane. So what does that mean? What is the equation of xy plane? Z is equal to 0. Okay, fine. Z is equal to 0. So you get Z is equal to 0. So what do you get? You get x 0 into x plus 0 into y plus z is equal to 0. Okay, so that is a condition for perpendicularity. Okay, so this is the condition for perpendicularity. So what you do? You actually take the coefficients and multiply that. That's how you find out the what is called the equation of that particular plane. So 0 into 1 plus 2 lambda plus 0 into 1 plus 3 lambda plus 1 plus lambda into 1 is equal to 0. So what do you obtain? You obtain the value of lambda, right? You obtain the value of lambda. So you get lambda is equal to minus 1. Substituting the value of lambda in the first equation that we got. What's the first equation we got? X plus y plus z minus 6 plus lambda into 2x plus 3y plus z plus 5 is equal to 0. So on that equation, if you substitute the value of lambda, you will obtain the equation of the plane as x plus 2y plus 11 is equal to 0. Okay, x plus 2y plus 11 is equal to 0. So what's the option here? B is the right answer. So I hope this question is clear. Thank you.